This is the Old Guy Network.
Welcome back to the Old Guy Network. I'm the old guy, the OG. Jay, you know who you are. Well, usually on Mondays, I recommend a YouTube channel, but I haven't had time to make the video. I'm really busy. As I mentioned in the last video that I did a couple of days ago, a few days ago, yeah, I don't know. Time is just, it's all messed up right now. But I mentioned that I'm doing some things with my YouTube channel. I really want to take this serious. I only have a little over 200 subscribers. But if you think about it, 2 weeks ago I had 200 subscribers. Now I have 225. So that's not so bad. It first took me 6 months to get up to 100. Then it took me a couple of months to get to 200. Now it's taken me just 2 weeks to get to 25. So, hopefully this is going to keep going. And I really want to do something with this channel. I really do. And so I'm doing that. And I'm doing an unboxing tomorrow of one of the lights that I bought for the recording. I'm using them right now. So that's kind of a sneak peek. Lighting looks a little different in here now, doesn't it? And it's not bad. But I'm planning on doing some more unboxings as well. Either after I get this video done, either going today or tomorrow, I'll be heading over to one of my favorite stores, even though I haven't had the best luck with all the tools there. But Harbor Freight, yeah, I'll be going over there. And I'm going to see if I can't get Jake to go over there with me, because it'll be like a field trip. And you remember Jake, the other OG in training. Anyway, if I can get Jake to go over there with me, we're going to look at a few things. One thing for sure is brad nailers, because during the trailer rehab, the brad nailer got broken. My really nice brad nailer, the one I had before I got the finish nailer. Well, it finally crapped out on me, and I used to know a guy that could repair those. I don't know where the heck he is now. I can't find him. But I'm going to go over there and get a brand new brad nailer, and of course we're going to do an unboxing, and I'll show you how it works. You got to have those to do the squirrel picnic tables, and I'm going to get set up pretty soon to start mass producing those. They're still popular, so I got to do it. And while I'm there, I'm going to look at a few other tools, probably probably a joiner and a planer. I'd like to have a nice surface planer. They've got I think it's a Wen 12.5-inch planer. I'm gonna try to take a look at that, and some other things, some odds and ends, and maybe some clamps and other stuff. Things that are going to help out the shop and help out the trailer. The trailer? No, I don't care about the trailer. That's done. I do care about it, but it's done. But help out the channel and that sort of stuff. So that's something to look forward to, and maybe I'll try to sneak a camera in there. We'll show us at Harbor Freight. Who knows? Maybe we can do that. But today I was very busy. I had to go back to the trailer. There was a few things that I had to take care of, and we had to go into the shed, and I had to go in and take care of some of the garbage that was there. My truck won't go into reverse, so I have to go over there when I can bum a ride from somebody with a truck. And the aforementioned Jake, well, he's got a truck, and I asked him to come over with me, and he helped me bag up some garbage, and we took that over to the dumpsters, and that's all taken care of. But while I was there, I forgot about one closet. It's one of the closets in the kitchen. I forgot to clean it out. And I mean clean it. It was pretty filthy. So when I did, I found something while I was there. And this thing is so damn annoying. This is what I found. And when I saw this thing, it instantly reminded me of something that happened at my shop a few years ago. This is about 5 years ago. My good friend Josh and I were at the shop, and somebody had brought in, about 2 years before that, or a year or so before that, brought in a Elmo, Tickle Me Elmo doll, a vintage one. And it was so damn annoying. And the little dog reminded me of Elmo, because people would activate it and make it talk, and it was really annoying. So one day we decided nobody was going to buy it. Everybody just, nobody wanted wanted it, so we decided to to do stuff to it. And well, this is what we did. First, we put an arrow in him. Then we put another arrow in him. Then we used a fully automatic BB gun. And then we did some other things to him that we didn't get on video. We shot him with a small crossbow pistol. We stabbed him by throwing knives at him, and I think we even threw a sword at him. But every time we did something, I started to realize that every time I did something to Elmo, something bad would happen in the shop. And so we stopped, and I still have him. He resides in the shop now in his box, and this is kind of funny. This was about 5 years ago when we did all this to him. Yeah, he's still alive. He still talks, and yeah. So that Christmas dog thing kind of reminds me of Elmo, but I've been informed that it's Jake's girlfriend's daughter's, so we're going to get it back to her unharmed. I'm not going to shoot it with anything or set it on fire or stab it or anything like that. I don't know if you can still hear that, but he's still talking. So yeah, the Christmas dog is safe, but he's even more annoying than Elmo was. That's a fact. Yeah, you see what I mean? If I had to have that around here much longer, I would have to set it on fire. So we're going to get that back to her. But yeah, I had a lot of stuff to do, and when we took the garbage back to took it to the dumpsters, Jake actually went dumpster diving. He found something in the dumpsters, which is rare nowadays. You don't find anything like that anymore because the park is really strict on that. But Jake did a pretty good job, and it made me feel pretty nostalgic about dumpster diving. I'm not going to show you what he found. It's 2 items, and they're both pretty cool. I'll let you know about those in another video. Next time we go into the shop. So but that was kind of nice. Dumpster diving. I miss it. I really do. I know we were supposed to do some this summer. We were going to do it in the Corvette, but the trailer flip took all the time. But then we brought some more stuff home to my trailer from the other trailer. There was a bunch of wood and old scraps and part of that old steps, the railings and everything from the old steps out back at the flip trailer. Yeah, we had to bring that all over, and I'm going to cut that all up, and we're going to burn it in my fire pit. But kind of a funny thing happened when Jake got ready to leave. I think I've lost Baxter. He won't get out of the truck. Come on, Baxter, get down. And there he goes right back up again. That's not bad for a fat dog. Okay, Jake, he's yours now. Yeah, he's your problem now. See you, Bax. Yeah, what can I say? No loyalty at all. No, he didn't go anywhere with Jake. But right after that, when I did get him down out of the truck, when Jake was actually leaving, he opened up the door, and Baxter tried to jump into his truck. He really wanted to go for a ride, but he's still here. I wouldn't let him go anywhere. But I thought he did pretty good getting in the back of that truck. That truck's got a lift kit on it, so it's pretty high up. And Baxter is a small dog, and he's a kind of a chubby dog, so he did pretty good. I was pretty impressed. So we had kind of a day here. A lot going on. The trailer looks really, really good. I went in and checked everything, make sure that the smoke detectors are still working and that the furnace is coming on because it's getting quite cold around here. And we've had some days, around freezing. Overnights in the freezing marks. So, yeah, I wanted to make sure everything was good, and everything's great. So, everything's good in the trailer hood, ×2, both trailer hoods. So that's going to do it for this. I will have more updates on what's going on with the YouTube channel and possibly some other things that are going on. I've actually been approached about another business, and Man, I don't know. I thought I retired 2.5 years ago, but apparently other people have other things in mind for me. So yeah, I'll keep you updated to date on that and on the unboxing of the new tools that I'm going to buy either later today or tomorrow. So I got a lot here, and I hope you come back and watch the videos and keep hitting that like, keep hitting that share button, and for crying out loud, subscribe to the channel, would you? You're killing me. Just it doesn't cost anything. Just take a second, subscribe. I would appreciate it. So for the Old Guy Network, I'm the old guy, I'm the OG, and I'm out.